thunderstorm will impact portions of southwestern Norfolk, southeastern Worcester, west central Plymouth, northwestern Bristol, and northeastern Providence counties through 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Usbridge, 47 miles southwest of Milford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Locations impacted include Brockton, Pawtucket, Taunton, Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, North Attleboro, Milford, Bridgewater, Attleboro, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, Norton, Grafton, Sharon, and Foxborough. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Here are the 8 p.m. observations for the Providence.